We all know Aries is the first zodiac sign, the leader, the one that opens the path. But have you ever wondered why? And how did ancient people look at millions of stars and imagine a ram? The story goes back more than 3,000 years to the Babylonians. In spring, when the sun reached a special point in the sky, it marked the beginning of life, greenery, and energy. They called this group of stars the hired farmer, a symbol of someone working the land and bringing life back. Over time, the idea became simpler. This season was linked to an animal that represents strength and new beginnings, the ram. Ancient Arabs called it al-Hamal, the ram, and named its brightest star the one who butts, imagining a ram pushing winter away and bringing in spring. Then the Greeks added their own story. They said this ram was golden and had wings. The gods sent it to save two children, Phrixus and Helle, from danger. It carried them across the sea, and to honor its bravery, the gods placed it in the sky forever, as a symbol of sacrifice and new beginnings. People also noticed the red planet Mars shining in the sky and connected it to Aries. They believed the sun is at its strongest during this time, so they said this is not an ordinary personality. Why is Aries seen as brave? Because it leads all the other signs. It comes first. Why is it impulsive and quick-tempered? Because its ruling planet Mars is full of energy and never calm, and its element is fire, always moving and burning forward. Why is it stubborn? They looked at a real ram. It doesn't change its path. It charges straight ahead, hitting anything in its way. So they said an Aries person never gives up. So, who here is an Aries? And do you really feel that leadership and new beginnings energy?